juice is a great way for people who want to lose weight without sacrificing their taste. Juicing is a healthy way to lose weight, reduce stress, and improve your overall health. It can also increase energy levels and promote weight loss. Here is a way to prepare 2 juices that help in losing weight. This innovative smoothie is perfect for a breakfast that supports you. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Visit our site web for reading more information about weight loss juice.